This is Because He Lives in the Key of C by Chris Tomlin. It is such a beautiful song, so I hope you will share it with a friend and it be an encouragement to them as well. In the key of C, we have some main chords, and as always, you can click on the description of the video, and I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. All right, so in the key of C, we have some main chords, C, F, G, and we have an A minor in this song as well. Pretty simple. So a C chord is made up of C, E, G. F chord is made up of F, A, C. G chord, G, B, D. And right up from that one note is an A minor, A, C, E. Okay, so you have a C chord, F chord, G chord, and then our A minor is right next door. So these three are just kind of stair steps up. Okay, so for our left hand, we're going to play single notes. So put thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers. You don't have to move this hand the whole song. C with a C chord. F, F in the bass. G, G single note, and A minor to A in the bass. Okay, the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is simple rhythm of together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You're going to add the chord to that. Together, right, together, right. You can move to an F chord. Together, right, together, right. G chord. And you can just practice that with all of your chords, okay? Let's add some vocals so you know what I mean. In verse 1, it starts with the A minor into the C. I believe in the sun. I believe in the risen one. Together, right, okay? I believe I overcome by the power of his blood. Back to the G there. Then that chorus just goes into the F. Men. A minor. Men. And I'm alive because he, G, lives. Back to the F. Amen. A minor there. Let my song join the one. That's what I do on that last line of that chorus is I go, let my song join the one that never ends. So those are just block chords, okay? Because he lives. Your instrumental can just go through your A minor, then your F, then your C. A minor, together, right, together, right, together, right, together. I am dead in the grave. I was covered in sin and shame. So that's how verse 2 goes, just similar to verse 1, okay? The chorus, they kind of just go more repetitively. There's nothing new with the choruses as well. The bridge, same chords, just different order. So because, excuse me, because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, every fear is gone. I know he holds my life. Amen. Go into that chorus. Amen. I'm alive because he lives. Back to the F. Amen. A minor. Let my C, G. Pretty simple. All right, you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun with this one. dead in the grave. I was covered in sin and shame. I heard mercy call my name. He rolled the stone away. Amen. Amen. I'm alive because He lives. Amen. Amen. Let my song join the one that never ends, because He lives and I can face tomorrow, because He lives and every fear is gone. I know He holds my life, my future in His hand. Amen. Amen. And I'm alive because He lives. Amen. Amen. Let my song join the one that never ends. Amen. Amen. I'm alive because He lives. Amen. Amen. Let my song join the one that